thin floor constructions, and especially for renovation purposes, we use Millimats. Start with the Millimat connection end by the connection point and roll out the Millimat with the self-adhesive side facing downwards and cable facing upwards. Before laying the mat, check it for cable continuity with an ohmmeter. Make sure the Millimat has good contact with the surface to prevent it from loosening during the installation process. Cut the net to adapt the Millimat to the floor shape and obstacles like bathtub, toilet, etc. Never cut or damage the cable. Cut the net completely when reaching the end of the room and flip the mat around in the opposite direction. Keep the distance from the stretched out loop between the two mats. Continue the process until the entire mat has been applied. The cable can easily be removed off the net and glued onto the floor to make the final adjustments. Position the floor sensor pipe in the middle between two cable loops. Insert the Millimat connection end into the pipe. Place the two pipes in the wall box. Before covering the Millimat, measure the cable resistance and insulation and fill in the warranty card. Cover with thin screed. Mix the screed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Apply the mass and spread it over the Millimat. Make sure the cable is completely embedded in the mass. Be careful not to damage the cable during the process. Final floor covering should be applied only when the screed is hardened and dry, according to the manufacturer guideline. The mat can be laid directly in the tile glue. This makes the floor exceptionally thin and capable of getting warm very fast. Always measure the cable resistance and insulation before any connection to the thermostat is made, and do not switch the heating cables on before the concrete is hardened. Floor coverings can be made of any heat-conducting material, such as parquet, tiles, terracotta, panels, or suitable wall-to-wall carpets. Furniture positioned on heated surfaces should have legs to ensure better air circulation. Special mats with an area load of 80 watts per square metre can also be laid directly on wooden subfloors.